and I'm going to be unboxing my monthly subscription to Owl Crate. Hello everyone, my name is Mariely Sanchez and I'm a 4th grade teacher in South Florida. So for today's video, I have an unboxing for you, and I'm going to be unboxing my monthly subscription to Owl Crate. If you haven't heard of this monthly subscription box, this is just for readers, and it includes one hardcover young adult book. And I have featured Owl Crate in the past, and no, this is hashtag not sponsored. I just thought it would be fun to show what I got for this month, because this month's theme, and I know the theme because the previous month's box lets you know what the theme of the following month is. So for this month's theme, it's Fight Like a Girl. And for the appropriate occasion, I am wearing my Teach Like a Girl shirt, Empowered Women Empower Women. Thank you, Christina, for this amazing shirt. And I appreciate being part of the charity work that you did, because the proceeds for this shirt, when I bought it, went for a good cause. All right, so without further ado, my Owl Crate box. Look how cute this is. I love owls. And this reminds me of Harry Potter. And it says, Magical Monthly Reads. So let's find out what's inside of this box. And there's only one tape that I need to cut, and it's right down here. So let's get this box open. Oh, maybe I should do it away, not towards. All right, away from me. And that's it. That's all I have to cut. And now I haven't opened this box. I have been waiting like over a week to open this box, because I said to myself, no, I'm gonna do this on video. And I consider this like my early birthday present, because I'm actually filming this on a Friday. And I know I did a teacher change because I had to go with the theme. And my birthday's on Sunday, so hey, early birthday present for me. So let's see what's in this box. Ooh, that's beautiful. Okay, let me turn it around so I can show you how it looks once you open it. Whoops, and that just fell. Give me 1 second. All right, so this is how the box looks. And in here is a card, and the card lets you know, and it says spoiler warning. It says Fight Like a Girl, that's the theme. And it goes over every single item in this box. And if you're interested in finding out more about Owl Crate, I'll link them down in the description box below. All right, so I love this fun paper, shredded paper. And I'm just gonna do this because I'm gonna pick it up anyway from the floor. Why not? Pick it up from the floor. Ooh, something smells really nice in here. We're going to find out in a moment what this is. All right, so I will hold this card as I take things out of the box, and let's see. And you get my very first reaction to everything. Oh, how cool is this? What's this? Ooh, it's a hanging poster, and it's black. Ooh, I think I should open it too. Okay, I think this is sort of open. 1 second. Ooh, yay, got it open. All right, and this is a hanging poster, and it gives you a picture. I'm gonna put it closer to the camera. Maybe you can see it. It has like a howling wolf on the outline. It's a night sky, and it says, remember that you are a wolf, and you cannot be caged. How empowering is that? Oh, look how cute. Ooh, I can hang this in my room. This is beautiful. Wow, thank you, Owl Crate. I really love this. Okay, that's item number 1. It says, we feel it goes without saying that one of the toughest female heroines in all young adults novels is none other than Fairer from A Court of Thorns and Roses series by Sarah J. Maas. We partner up with the talented Evie Bookish to create this exclusive wall hanging in celebration of this resilient character. Very neat. All right, I knew I smelled something, and it's basically this bath bomb. It's Zealy's Magic Bath Bomb, and it's an Owl Crate exclusive. And it says, and I think this is what's making me sneeze, because now my nose is like tingling. In Children of Blood and Bone, Zealy is thrust into an epic and harrowing journey to save her people. Whipped Up Wonderful created this beautiful and exclusive bath bomb inspired by Zealy's powerful magic. Oh, there's like glitter and stuff in the top. I mean, not glitter, but like gold kind of looking. All right, so bath bomb. Which is making me sneeze. All right. I am seriously allergic to that smell. All right. So here we have an out of print pin, and it's a no, out of print. Out of print is the company that makes the pin. Interesting. You don't need weapons to be a fighter. Be like Hermione and use your quick thinking at times of trouble. And of course, when in doubt, go to the library. We hope you love this exclusive enamel pin from our friends at Out of Print. And that's exactly what the pin says. When in doubt, go to the library. I love it. That explains me so much. I'm going to have to put this bath bomb like further away from me because I'm seriously allergic. Oh my God, look at me. I'm like seriously getting like allergic reactions. Okay. It's gonna be fine. All right, we also have, every owl crate also brings a button pin, and it's the same picture that you see here, the same character. How cool is that? So that's the little button pin. So that is item number 4. Item number 5 is this tassel bookmark that says, if I am marching to my death, then I will march to it as a girl without fear. And then on the back, you are strong, fierce, capable, beyond measure. So let me show you this side first. And then this is the other side. And this tassel bookmark, let me get to the part where it talks about it. Indigo 11 designed this exclusive double-sided tassel bookmark inspired by both The Wrath and the Dawn and Flame in the Mist by master storyteller Renee Adi. I hope I am pronouncing it right. Or Adie. We absolutely love the mix of feminine and fierce. I love it. Yep, it's beautiful. Right up my alley. And it matches my shirt so perfectly. Yay. Right. Oh, wait a second. Ooh, wait a minute. Okay, so I got a book that not only comes in the box, but it also comes with a pin that is about the book. It says, breathe fire, and some other words at the top that I guess are in a different language, but it's really cool. It looks like a shield. Let me see if you can see that a little better there. Okay, and here we have the book by Kayla Keenan, Catching Stars, Be Afraid of Witches. And there's another book in here, a hardcover book. So I have a paperback and a hardcover book with a print. Oh, how fierce is this character? She looks awesome. So it comes with this print, and here's the book by Adrienne Young, Sky in the Deep. That is awesome. And it's a hardcover book, and I believe it comes, it comes with a letter from the author. And it's like kind of stuck to the bottom of the box. So let me try and see if I can get it. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it has a letter from the author. Very nice. And it has a little book that goes more into the different sponsors for this box. And it has some information on the book as well and the author. It has a page that is just for fun. And yeah, it goes over each of the sponsors in the box and tells a little bit more about the June theme and something that's going to be included. So for the June theme, inside the June box, you'll receive an exclusive item from Riddle's Tea Shop. So sometimes they'll send tea, and I've gotten tea from them before. So it's really good. I really love this box. And they also tell you what the next month's theme is, and that's what I was talking about at the beginning. So next month's theme is Summer Lovin'. And look at that beautiful mermaid. Oh my God. And if you haven't been watching my vlogs, I love mermaids so much. So I guess I'm going to look forward to my June box as well. All right, so that is basically, oh wow, I'm really allergic to that scent. Like, there are just some fragrances that I'm like super allergic to. Like, I started sneezing as you saw, and my nose is like really runny. But anyway. So yeah, these are the goodies that came in the box. I mean, I got more than 5 things, and this time around I got 2 books. I mean, that's amazing. I don't only just get 1 book, I get 2. A hardcover and a paperback, and this print goes with the character from this book. So, I mean, this is amazing. Let me put this back in the box, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, this was my Owlcrate unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about Owlcrate, like I said, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so that you can find out more information on it. Again, hashtag not sponsored. I just really love this monthly subscription box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and let me know what you thought or any questions you may have. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell for notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. Have a beautiful, magical day, and don't forget to smile, and also fight like a girl. See you next time.